Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Father's Day is a special time to show love and appreciation for the most important man in your life. In this video, we're sharing 20 amazing Father's Day gift ideas that are practical, thoughtful, and perfect for every type of dad. Let's get started. Number 1. Personalized wallet. A classic leather wallet with his name or initials. Number 2. Smartwatch. A modern gift to help track health, fitness, and daily activity. Number 3. Premium shaving kit. A complete grooming set for a clean and fresh look. Number 4. Customized coffee mug. Add a special message like, "Best Dad Ever." Number 5. Comfortable recliner chair. Perfect for relaxation after a long day. Number 6. Bluetooth earbuds. Useful for calls, podcasts, and everyday convenience. Number 7. Personalized photo frame. A beautiful memory with family pictures. Number 8. Barbecue grill set. Great for dads who love cooking outdoors. Number 9. Leather belt and accessories set. A stylish and practical fashion upgrade. Number 10. Portable power bank. Keeps devices charged on the go. Number 11. Luxury watch. A timeless and elegant gift for special occasions. Number 12. Gardening tool set. Perfect for dads who enjoy gardening. Number 13. Customized keychain. A small but meaningful everyday reminder. Number 14. Fitness tracker band. Helps maintain health and fitness goals. Number 15. Toolkit set. Ideal for DIY projects and home repairs. Number 16. Personalized t-shirt. With a fun or emotional, Best Dad design. Number 17. Travel bag or backpack. Useful for trips, work, or daily use. Number 18. Coffee maker machine. Perfect for coffee-loving dads. Number 19. Desk organizer set. Keeps workspaces neat and organized. And finally, number 20. Surprise family dinner celebration. Plan a special meal at home to celebrate Father's Day with love and togetherness. The best Father's Day gifts are not just expensive items, they are meaningful, practical, and show how much you appreciate everything he does. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more gift ideas and inspiration. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.